Learn English with Afrar. Conversation for daily life. What are you doing?
I'm waiting for this music store to open.
How long have you been waiting?
About 2 hours.
That's crazy. What for?
Today my favorite band releases their new CD.
So what?
I want to buy a copy before they sell out.
So you've been waiting for 2 hours in the cold.
Actually, I have been waiting for 3 months, since I heard they were releasing a new album.
When does the music store open?
In another 15 minutes.
Well, good luck waiting.
Where are you going now?
I'm going home to order that album from the internet.
I'll get to hear it before you.
Yes, and you will be sick for standing in the cold. Have a good time. Bye.